Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the scattering of light. As you know, that light is made up of different colors. Light is white in color generally, but when it will be scattered, different colors. And the scattering of light generally occurs in the atmosphere, and you must have seen that is the canopy of the dense forest. Then in a black closed room, dark room, so one hole will be there. If there will be one hole, then sunlight will enter into that room, that visible, that the path of the light can be visible. So this is generally called as the Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect, generally, the Tyndall effect. First, we will discuss about the what to mean by Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect, the scattering of light, scattering of light, scattering of light by the dust particles in the air. As you know, in the ninth class, that three types of solutions. One is the homogeneous solution, colloidal solution, and suspension. So, in colloidal solution, what happens? The colloidal particles will be larger than the light particles. So what will happen? It will scatter. It will obstruct the path of the light. So, as a result of which it will scatter and it will deviate from its path. So, for that reason only, the path of the light will be visible. And you can take the example of the milk and water. You see, in the milk, suppose this one is the milk, and this one is the water. दोनों में अगर if will that light will fall on this that milk, and this one is the water, the path of the light will be visible in case of a milk, not water. Because in case of milk, what happens? The path of the light particles will be scattered by the milk particles, because milk particles are larger uh, than the that light particles. So that is the reason. So water, it will not, because water is a water solution. Water is not having small particles. Sorry, having a small particle, not larger particles. So in the water, there will be no possibility of the visible of path of the light. In same case, this process is generally happening in the Tyndall effect, and that process, that is the scattering of light by the dust particles in the air. So in case of this Tyndall effect is happening in the atmosphere, same thing. Suppose when light will pass through the atmosphere, in the atmosphere different types of dust particles will be there, smoke particles will be there, water droplets will be there, air droplets will be there. So these particles will obstruct the light particle. As a result of which, what happens? It will scatter. It will scatter. So that process is generally called as the scattering of the light, and that is scattering of the light. The phenomenon of scattering of light, that is due to the Tyndall effect. So another concept, we know that sky appears blue, because sky having the dust particles, no doubt, and light will fall. Sunlight having the white light. But what happens in the sunlight? Seven color lights should be there. So first one is the violet, then last one is the red, and this is generally called as the visible light. Visible light. It's a violet, the violet having the shorter wavelength, and red having the longer wavelength. And as you know, violet having the shorter wavelength means those are having shorter wavelength, it will scatter more, and longer wavelength will scatter less. So while light will pass through the atmosphere, so at that time what happens, that uh, violet color will uh, scatter more than the red color. But what happens that in between that violet के बाद we've got indigo and blue. So that generally blue color appears. That means a shorter wavelength having the blue color, and red color longer wavelength. The blue color will be scattered more in through the atmosphere. So as a result of which this blue color will be visible to our eyes. So that's why the appearance of the sky is blue in color. So that is the only reason, because the blue color only scatter. And similarly, in case of sunset and sunrise, what happens? In case of sunset, another thing I left, blue color, but if there will be no atmosphere, suppose those are going just outer space. Suppose this is the earth surface, and outer surface up to 1600 kilometer, that is the atmosphere. So above that there is no atmosphere, so there is no possibility of the scattering of light. So as a result of which that is not visible, and that is a all the places it will be dark, not light, not white. That is, it will be dark, not blue color, not what, nothing will be there, because there will be no scattering, because there is no atmosphere. That is the only. So similarly, another thing we will discuss, that is the sky appears red at the time of sunrise or sunset. So that thing we will discuss. See, in the sunrise, what happens? Suppose this is the earth surface, sun is above, and this is the sunset time. This is the sunset time. So sunset time, what happens? You see, this is the blue color will be there. So blue color will be scattered away, चला जाता है पूरा, scattered है. So ये पास में भी है और ये बहुत दूर में है. So scattered away, that is blue color scattered away, but red color, what happens? It will scatter. Wavelength will be, that is the less wavelength, and ये more, having more wavelength. So more wavelength means that red color will be scattered more, because what happens is there is a thick layer of air will be there. So thick layer will be, it will be scattered, and more scattered will be there. So as a result of which we can see that is the red color while sunset or sunrise. So red color, that some red color, and will be formed at the time of a sunset or a sunrise. That is because it that blue color scattered away, पूरा scattered away हो जाएगा, तो हमको that is blue color will not be visible to us. In case of that is the moon. But in case of sunset or sunrise, that red light will be, red color will be visible. So because that is higher wavelength, and it will be what, thick layer will be there, thick, and बहुत दूर में भी है, distance, more distance भी है, और thick air है. So these are the factors as a result of which that we see that this what sun looks reddish in color at the time of sunrise and sunset. Okay, this much only about this chapter. Thank you.